What's up, thugs? I'm doing another bike check because I'm probably gonna get wrecked. So everybody knows this is stock. Well, I bought these. Only pedals I'll ride. Twisted PC pedals. Get a pair. Stock cranks. Stock sprocket, stock chain, stock back wheel, stock tires. Got a new Colt frame. Well, it's not new. Well, it's new to y'all, but I got a Colt frame. You know, gotta hit that Colt up, so you can see it. Colt man. Got a premium sub V2 stem, some Sub Rosa Velicious bars, 8.5 or 8.5 rise, wide ODI and ODI bar ends. You know, G shit. Just had to show y'all it because it looked cool. Going in focus. Okay, and got our Federal Bike Co seat. My room's a mess. You see my room. She's tight. Got a new headset. Put that on today. Came in like 2 days ago. Just didn't feel like putting it on. So I have a it's an Equat. Can't tell, but it's an Equat. I got an Equat headset, guys. Tasty Equat. There it goes. And I do really slow bike checks, so don't get mad. And I got a stock sprocket, but I have a new one. I need to put it on. I'm gonna go get a new chain tomorrow if I can. Got that Tree Bike Co. You know what I'm saying? You know, what's up? 28 teeth, and the one I'm riding now is 25. My driver is 9 teeth. Yeah, that's about it. Catch you guys later if you aren't a hater.